Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video we'll be finishing our first part of the master bed mould and dropping off at our GRP specialist who will produce the final part. For those who are new to the channel, we are rebuilding a 2008 Sealine SC35 we bought on eBay. The boat was used as the master plug boat by the Sealine factory to produce the internal fibreglass mouldings before being sold off in 2013 when Sealine went into liquidation. We are currently working on the master bed using the original factory plug to take mouldings and produce 3 new parts from fibreglass to form the master bed. These 3 parts can then be brought in through the cabin doorway, put in position, bonded and glassed into the hull as would have been done by the factory. So far we have taken 3 moulds, wet sanded, polished and added the flanges to the mould using white-faced MDF so that we can bond all parts together in the boat. One of the common questions we are asked is, why don't you use the bed that's already in the boat? And that's a really good question. And the reason for that is that the plug or tool that the factory used to take the mould was never designed to be used in a working boat. The plug itself is made from plywood and filler and is extremely heavy. It also cracks really easily with any temperature changes or any movement, so really wouldn't work on a working boat. So we intend to produce fiberglass parts which will be far lighter, stronger and more durable. So the first job today is to run the first mould we have over to our GRP specialist to see if he's happy with the mould, see if they can work with it and hopefully give us a price to produce the part. Okay guys, so we're back at the workshop. We've spoken to the GRP specialist and what they've said to us is if we plasticine all these corners for them, so we'll plasticine up here, across the back here, and all these joints across the back there, and also on the flange that we've created here, so we'll plasticine up here, and also this joint here. So if we get all that done, apply the wax for them, and then we can drop the mould over to them next week and they're going to mould this part for us. So I've just given this a quick clean with alcohol, and then Rich has just found a bit of a high spot, which would come out as a low spot.
A low spot
in the part. So he's just focused on that. So he's just nibbing that off now with a bit of sandpaper, and then we'll polish that up. But other than that, that's this one's all wiped down. So we'll just get some plasticine on it now. So a quick update as to where we're at. So we've got the plasticine in all the joints now. So across there, in the corner there, and then just along here, give you a close up. And then we've also applied it in this little joint here just to stop the resin and gel getting caught inside there. So basically this part's ready to go. We've applied 2 coats of wax so far, so we've got another 6 to go. And then Richard started working on this part. So we've got the flanges to add on here. Richard's just creating a little piece here that will plasticine in and hot glue that in as well. And then we'll get some plasticine on this one as well. Okay guys, so this mould is now fully prepped. So 8 coats rather of wax, and that's come up really nice, as you can see. Hopefully the camera will pick that up. Obviously all the plasticine joints done. So yeah, that's ready to go. So I've just spoken to our fiberglass guy, and he's happy for us to drop this over now, and then hopefully we can get this moulded next week. So we're going to pop this on the van and shoot over there. Okay guys, so back at the workshop, we've dropped off the first mould, so hopefully that's going to be moulded up ready for next week for us. And then we've just started to prep this one as well. So we've given it a wipe down with alcohol, and we've started to put in the plasticine here. So we've got a little bit of finishing on this one to do as well. But we'll get that done next week, and hopefully we'll get that dropped off to the GRP specialist as well. So thanks for watching guys, that'll be the wrap for today, and we'll see you on the next one.